Good morning, students. Today we will learn about synthetic fibers and plastics. In previous lecture, we have studied that different types of synthetic fibers. Let's recall the previous chapter in short. First of all, synthetic fibers. There are different types of synthetic fibers. They are rayon, nylon, polyester, and acrylic. These are the different synthetic fibers. We already learned the different properties in detail. So today we will learn about plastics. Right? Plastic is same as that of polymers. There is a two different types of plastics are there. There is a chain. There is a chain. In previous lecture, there is a single chain that is known as linear chain. This is known as linear chain. And some they are cross linked like this. Some are the cross linked. This chain is known as cross linked chain. Right? So plastic is made from the same types of polymer. These are the chain. What we learned in fiber is more also prepared with the chain, right? All the chains, all the things is combined together and prepare one fiber. Same that as it is, that plastic is also made from chain. This is a linear chain. This is known as linear. This is known as linear, and this is a cross link. This is a cross link chain. As we know that plastic use a different types of thing. Like why we use plastic day by day increasing? Because the properties of the plastic is very easy. Why? We have seen that the plastic is moldable easily, colored easily. So the use of plastic is day by day increasing. Like in toys, in motor vehicles, in polythene, right? So the thing is that when we get our order of food, that all things comes in a plastic bag or whatever, we just order, and that packing in export material, import material, we have seen the different types of plastics are there. Right? So the properties of the plastic is very easily, they easily moldable, colorable, right? Easily we can color. So in toys and different types of material we have used plastics. But sometimes some plastics are easily moldable. Like this. This is a plastic. This is a chalk stand. This is a plastic, right? I cannot easily mold. I cannot easily mold. And sometimes this is also a plastic. That is a bottle. Easily moldable. Like easily moldable. So that is known as, some plastics are easily moldable and some are not moldable. Right? So in these two things, this is known as thermoplastic. This is known as thermoplastic, which is easily moldable. Right? This is not moldable. That is known as thermosetting plastic. Thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic. This is a pen. This is a moldable. Have you seen? This is a moldable. Right? This is a thermoplastic and it is not moldable. That is known as thermosetting plastic. Right? These two different types of plastics are there. When I mold, it easily moldable, and this is breakdown. If I try to bend it out, so it is breakdown. So here these two different types of plastic are there. Some are thermosetting plastic and some are thermoplastic. So here the different types of plastics are there. We have seen that the alternative uses of plastic in kitchen. We have seen that the kitchen set is also made from a plastic bowl, dish, then a garbage bag, comb. So these all are the things. Switches, electrical switches are made from melamine and bakelite. So electrical switches, they are not easily moldable. They are good conductor of heat also, right? So by using the different properties are there, today we increase the uses of plastics. So these are the quality of the plastics, but they are not suitable to environment. Some more quality of plastic, that is plastic is non-reactive. So plastic is used in that electrical appliances like screwdriver. In screwdriver we have seen that the outer part that is made from plastic, when the sleeper is also made from plastic. We have seen that the metals easily corroded, metal are easily corroded. We have seen that when the reaction between water and iron gets connected, so what thing happen? They are corroded. So we applying the paints, हम लोग क्या करते हैं, पेंट्स लगाते हैं, सो दैट वाटर एंड आयरन डज नॉट, दोनों के बीच में कांटेक्ट नहीं होगा तो कोरोजन नहीं होगा. सो प्लास्टिक इज नॉन कोरोसिव, दे कैन नॉट रिएक्ट विद एनी अदर मेटल्स और water. It easy and it is also lighter in weight. So by any container we feel like milk, water, in fridge we have seen that all the things in plastic bottles, all the things are made from plastics. So tell your grandparents in their generation what are the different things they store milk or water in which container. So they told you that the matka that is made from soil, red soil, that is made from soil, that container is made from, and different types of metals like bronze बाउल के अंदर वो लोग क्या रखते थे, सारी चीजें रखते थे in the past. But today we have been using that plastic material. Because the different properties of the plastic. First of all, it is the cheapest, right? That is very cheapest. Here is the example. This is the plastic material. That is a sanitizer bottle. We store a sanitizer in this, right? So for storing the things, we can use this plastic things. So another example is that they are very strong and durable. They are also good conductor of heat. So these are all the things that we use in today's life. But the thing is that is not eco-friendly. Plastic is not eco-friendly. Why? So the thing is that degradable, biodegradable and non-biodegradable. So what is a biodegradable waste and what is non-biodegradable waste? So biodegradable waste, that is automatically by nature they decompose by microorganism. Already we have seen in chapter number 2. The plants waste and animal waste easily decomposed by microorganism. So that is known as biodegradable waste. Whereas plastic is not decomposed by any natural processes. So day by day plastic uses are more. Here you have seen in chapter page number 38 the different types of materials are there. The plastics and other things are there. So they decompose in 1 day, 2 day, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year, 15 years and millions of years, right? So they do not decompose. When we burn plastic, they release the poisonous gas. In the atmosphere. For this, carbon dioxide level in the atmosphere day by day increasing. Because of this, the glaciers are made. Because of this, rivers are flooded. Because of this, many lives are dead. So the plastic is no eco-friendly. So sir, what will we do? So for buying something, we are using a jute and cotton polythenes, right? Cotton bags we are kept down in a lunch box. Instead of plastic box, we are using the steel box, right? So we avoid a plastic. Also in our home, we can separate the biodegradable and non-biodegradable thing in our homes, so that we easily decompose, right? So these all the practices we have been using in our day-to-day life. So plastic use is day by day decreasing, right? But now plastic is essential in our life. Also, that plastic is also used in surgery, medical, healthcare treatment. Some plastics are using in like Teflon, like fire extinguisher, firemen using that type of vehicle, that type of clothes, right? Their vehicles. These all things are heat resistant. They things are heat resistant. In healthcare properties, we have seen that the doctor gloves, syringe, plastic, that wrapper of that medicines. These all things are prepared from plastics. Teflon is used in that non-stick stove. That oil and water does not stick together. So Teflon is used there. Melamine types of plastic is used in electrical switches, also in a fire extinguisher. Firemen use that clothes are made from melamine plastic material, right? So plastic uses are also more. They are uses more, but on the other hand, they are not eco-friendly. So we can maintain a balance. Whether so here we can use a 5R. One is reduce, reuse, recycle, refuse. These all are 5 R's we can use in our day-to-day life. So we can minimize the uses of plastic. Instead of your plastic lunchbox, you can use steel lunchbox. Then do not throw garbage, plastic waste in the water bodies. Okay, and do not throw a garbage in on the road. Whenever you throw the garbage on the road, that animals, cow and other animals can eat that plastics, and that can be stick and that respiratory system. So they cannot take breathing. So on the result, they all are died. So being a responsible citizen, we have do not throw plastics on the road, on the water bodies. So in water bodies, we have seen that the many aquatic animals live in that water. So they take that plastic, and during our carelessness, because of this, they causes a death. So in this chapter, we have learned that the different types of synthetic materials, that is rayon, nylon, polyester and acrylic material, and also plastic. Plastic is made from different types of chain, that is known as linear. This is a cross-linked chain. So different types of plastics properties are there. In a healthcare industry, in a fireman clothes and non-stick stoves, we have using different types of plastic. There are a variety of uses of the plastic, but the thing is that they are not eco-friendly. So we should take care for throwing the plastic, because our carelessness being a hazardous death to the animals in water bodies and also on the road. So we should take care about this. Okay, so in this chapter, all the things we covered: synthetic fibers and plastic. What are the causes? What are the pros of the using of plastic? So in this, thank you.